take a look at our fridge and see what we have. Oh no! Our fridge is empty! There is no food in our refrigerator.
Click, click, clack, clack.
But here's some food. Uh-oh, it looks like it's all mixed up. Good thing we have all these colored baskets to help us organize our fruits and vegetables and all the other ingredients we have that go in our fridge. Can you help me find all the purple items for this purple basket? Great. Starting with this purple apple. We can put that in the purple basket. Great. What else do you see that's purple? Oh, how about this? It's a purple cabbage. Let's put that in our purple basket. Now, oh, I see some more items right here. Here's a purple jam, and it looks like it's the grape flavor. Let's put it in our purple basket. Great. How about some, ooh, purple beets? Yum. Those are healthy and yummy. There are purple grapes right here. Let's put them inside. And any more? Ah, I see one right here. It's a bottle of purple grape juice. It looks like our purple basket is full. That's a good thing because I don't see any more purple items here. Let's go with the green basket. Starting with, ooh, here's a green item and it looks like it's a green jar of pickles. Yum. Now what else? Oh, how about this green broccoli? We'll put that in our green basket as well. And how about this green cabbage? That's green. Let's put it in our basket. And there are two more items right here. We have green grapes. In they go. And we have a green apple. All right. Do you see any more green items? I see one right here. It's a green bottle of apple juice. Yum. Our basket is full and there are no more green items. Great. Let's move on to our next basket. How about this yellow one? Starting over here, we have some yellow corn. And right here, we have some yellow bananas. Ooh, look at this yellow cheese. Yum. Ah, we have some yellow yogurt. We have a yellow container of yogurt. Ah, look at this. It's a yellow lemon. And, oh, it's another bottle of juice. This time, it's lemon juice. Lemonade. Let's put that right here. And the next color, let's go with the orange one. See if we can find any orange ingredients. Oh, here's one. It's an orange carrot. Ooh, how about this orange bell pepper? Oh, look at this. It's an orange cheese. I love cheese. Oh, look at this. Yum. It's an orange. Nice. Oh, look at this. We found an orange jar of jam. That's going to be wonderful on our toast. And we have some orange juice. Awesome. Let's put that over here. And it looks like the last basket we have to fill is the red one. And it looks like all of the items that are left are red. Here is a red apple. Here is a red strawberry jam. A red tomato. A red strawberry. Ooh, a red bell pepper. And a red can of milk. The milk is not red, but the can is. Now that we have all our baskets filled up, we can put them inside our fridge. On the very top, we'll place our red groceries. Next, we'll place our orange groceries, followed by the yellow groceries, green groceries, and purple groceries. Now that our fridge is stocked up, what should we make? Oh, look at this. It looks like here we have a recipe for a smoothie. How about we grab some orange juice? Here's orange juice. Bananas. Bananas are yellow, so let's look in our yellow basket. Here they are. Bananas. An apple. We're gonna need a red apple, so let's check in the red basket. Oh, here it is. No, not the strawberry. A red apple. Check. And a carrot. Carrots are orange, so let's check in the orange basket. Here's a carrot. Carrot, check. orange juice, bananas, carrot, apple. Before we can cut our carrot and our apple, we need to wash it. First, let's wash the carrot. That's good. Now let's wash the apple. Perfect. Now we'll turn the water off and start making our smoothie. Now we're ready to cut them, starting with the carrots. There are 2 pieces of orange carrot. Let's only use one for our smoothie. In the blender it goes. Next up, we have our red apple. Let's remove this green stem. That's better. Now we can cut it in half. We have 2 pieces of apple. Let's only use one. In the blender it goes. Next we have a yellow banana. Let's cut it. Now we have 1, 2, 3 pieces of banana. Let's only use one. How about this one? Into the blender it goes. Let's pour in some orange juice. That should be good. It's time to blend up our smoothie. I think our smoothie is ready. Isn't it looking yummy? Now let's pour it into our cup. That's good. Now let's place our blue cap on top and our white and red straw. Our smoothie is ready to devour.